Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to channel for everything on the hottest rides in automotive legends reborn for the modern age. Today we're diving into a car that defines elegance, prestige, and ultimate luxury, the all-new Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special 2026. This isn't just another release, it's Cadillac's way of reminding the world that when it comes to timeless design and next-level comfort, they're still sitting on the throne. The Fleetwood 60 Special has always been a name associated with status and refinement, and Cadillac has taken that legacy and infused it with a modern vision. At first glance, the design screams presence. The front end features a bold grille with Cadillac's new illuminated crest, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that make it look futuristic yet instantly recognizable as a Fleetwood. The body is long, sleek, and commanding, with chrome detailing that pays homage to its classic roots. It has that unmistakable Cadillac vibe, big, powerful, and unapologetically luxurious. Step inside, and you're surrounded by a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a car. Premium hand-stitched leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum details come together to create an atmosphere of pure sophistication. The dashboard is dominated by Cadillac's latest curved OLED display that stretches seamlessly across the front, offering a blend of infotainment, driver information, and AI-enhanced controls. Rear seat passengers aren't left behind either. They get executive-class seating with recline, massage, heating, and ventilation, plus individual entertainment screens. This car was designed with comfort in mind for both driver and passengers. Performance is where Cadillac has really surprised people. The 2026 Fleetwood 60 Special offers multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid-assisted V8 that balances raw performance with efficiency, and an all-electric version designed for the future of luxury driving. With adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control, the Fleetwood glides over roads with grace while still delivering confident handling. And thanks to Cadillac's advanced noise cancellation technology, the cabin remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds, making it a sanctuary on wheels. Cadillac has also loaded the Fleetwood 60 Special with cutting-edge tech. Advanced driver assist features, semi-autonomous driving modes, and state-of-the-art connectivity make it as smart as it is luxurious. It's a car that understands its passengers, anticipates their needs, and delivers an experience tailored to modern life while keeping its heritage alive. At its core, the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special isn't just about moving from point A to B, it's about doing so with unmatched style, grace, and authority. It's Cadillac's way of showing that true luxury never fades, it just evolves. Whether you're in the backseat enjoying the ride or behind the wheel commanding this masterpiece, you'll feel the heritage of a legend wrapped in the innovation of tomorrow. So what do you think about this revival of Cadillac's flagship luxury sedan? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dives into the most iconic cars returning to the streets with a futuristic twist.